Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we are back for another pack of 12 free sounds for your Discord soundboard. A bunch of randomly selected meme sounds that will elevate your soundboard experience and are within keeping to the Discord terms of service, so you don't have to worry about anyone getting mad at you and reporting you for using them. And we have such lovely marvels as Uncle Roger's Hi-Ya,
Hiya!
the Roblox Oof sound, Got 'em,
Got it!
and 2 hours later.
2 hours later.
And this pack comes with a whole bunch of other sounds that you can see here, like an anime punch, a bite noise, a dog sniffing noise, Metal Gear alert sound, the monkey from Master Oogway and Kung Fu Panda, Oni-chan, the record scratch noise, Tom and Jerry scream, and then also, you know, the ones that we showcased before, like Uncle Roger. So that'll be it for this one. You can grab that download link in the video description below. I hope you have fun with these. You can mix and match on your Discord server to your heart's content. And as always, don't forget to do the likey subscribe thing, especially if you want to see more packs of stuff in the future. And I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.